Hello there, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to teach you how to stop your friends from adding your other friends on Snapchat. This is the most possible way you could stop your friends from adding your other friends. Open the Snapchat app on your phone, go to the profile, and tap on the gear button on the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Privacy Controls. Press on Contact Me, then press on Friends. Go back, then go to See Me and Quick Add and untick it. After that, scroll down below and find Contact Syncing. Press on Contact Syncing and turn off Share Contacts with Snapchat. Press Confirm, and you can press on Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat. Press Confirm, and this way your friends will not be able to add other friends as your reference will not be given to them. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.